Today we have a 2016 Chevy Malibu. We're replacing the front brakes and rotors. First thing we do here is with the number 10, open the bleeder. And because I'm replacing the rotors and saving a little time, I use the pry bar to move this caliper forward enough to where I can stick a pry bar between the brake pad and the rotor here in order for me to push the piston all the way back. So pretty much pried it up here, moved it forward a little bit, and then came over here and pushed it all the way until it's flush, so that basically it's reset. And now with the number 14 socket and a slim 17 holding this there, we're going to take 2 bolts off to remove the caliper. Now with the caliper moved to the side, I'm going to come back here with the number 22, remove these 2 bolts to remove this bracket. With this removed, I'm going to take these out here and grease both of these before we reinstall anything. So I'm now going to remove the rotor with the T30 and our impact tool. We're going to take this bolt off, and basically once we do that, this will pop right out. Now we just slide this old rotor off and slap on the new one, being sure to line up that hole right here so that we can put that screw back in. Okay guys, so I jumped the gun, installed the new rotor, put this back into place, went ahead and put this on, those 222s tightened down. Now we're pretty much ready for the caliper. However, before we do that, since we have these new brake pads, we have to reinstall these pieces here. There's going to be 2 of them, one on the bottom, one on the top, as we saw it earlier. So just place them like so. The bottom one here, facing upward. Let me just go ahead and grab it. Go ahead and take care of it right now on camera. Let's see here. So second one just goes into those grooves on the brake pad itself, and then we just slide the caliper. Alright y'all, so pretty much everything's installed now, all new and good, and we're done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.